is out again. Now this one now with since 2 days now, I and the Baga with the Buddha. And they have no one who collected the first one. And the second one, I got for the name. I have walked behind. Jenny and I have drum 100%. I walk behind. And I can check what I have to again. Or do Janet, but Janet got to village to village. You harass the people. And then check how we do. Let them come. Give them good body. Let them come. Come on. Find our code now. Come on.
Okay guys, I just want to write on this video. I just intentionally allow the video to play so that you yourself will understand what is going on. This message is from Biafran Liberation Army, and they gave update about what is going on and how Nigerian army are flying both air and using air and land, trying to comb the communities with the help of those they have recently initiated, calling them vigilantes. Like we have seen a video on in Imo State, where some group of young men call themselves as also security vigilante and whatever. Because what I was told is that Hope Olodema is using those youths, claiming that they are they are the local vigilante in the communities to form vigilante, to give them intel on how to go about it. That brings me to the recent video of Musa, who said that the problem they are having is that villagers are not working with them. That's the language he used. That villagers are not working with them, that they need intels. And what is the best way to have these intels if not to use your brother to fight our brother like Obasanjo have made in the past? And the best way they felt is to start giving them 100,000, because that's what I was told, that Hope Olodema is now paying Igbo youth 100,000 to lead or to be in a group called Community Vigilante. And they are the one pointing fingers and trying to know where to belong, where the Biafran Liberation Army operates, and how they go about when they appear in a village, and how they live and everything. A kind of secret information. Now, what that means is that our youth or Igbo youth are going to lose their life within. They're going to lose their life within, because for Biafran Liberation Army to operate fully, the land and the environment need to be calm for them to work, to know, to identify what they're facing. Not when they come, you kept quiet as a citizen of Biafra. When they turn their back, you now call Nigerian army, oh, this is where they go, this is how they live, this is what happened. And that is the tactics of government at the moment. But, you believe, right? Because now, if I remember my football before my life, what I'm trying to say is that we have listened to the messages of Musa, Army Chief, and government of Nigeria and everything. And if you keep quiet, it may be your turn. Your enemy in security, called the vigilante working for government, they may point finger at you and you will become a gunner. So if you have vigilante group in your village and they are working for government, and what I mean by working for government is like Hope Olodema, a government who established them not to safeguard the community, but to use them to sell their brother out in the name of working for government simply because of 100,000 you are gonna gain. That is a very, very, very bad. That is a very, very big sabotage, because everything they will do will still come back to prove that they are working for government. What this Biafran army is saying here, he's not saying it because he drives joy, he's saying it. We have seen videos of Nigerian army and how they operate recently, especially after the declaration. They intensified the attack, they intensify their movement, while those who declare Biafra are busy dragging position, trying to fight each other and trying to make themselves relevant because their position have been tampered or have touched. These are things we need to understand. And I don't want to start talking about the chatter that some of them are pushing on social media at the moment. When I listen to some of them, it's quite funny. But what can we say? My concern is the security of our people. Seeing the way Fulani are now having their march pass in our land simply means that the intention of silencing PM is not it's not a coincidence, and it's from within. Imagine a woman like Bianca contributing to that kind of thing, and Master Americano's wife. These are things Biafra need to understand, and Biafra Army shouldn't allow this kind of thing to play. They need to do. I'm not here to preach for violence, but you cannot lay your hand, lay your head to be cut off because you want to be a peaceful man. Nobody does that. Any smart person will not allow that thing to happen. Anyway, let me allow him to say it again so that you yourself will hear the the reports from different division and before you come to an end of this video.
This one now with since 2 days now, I and the Abaga with the Buddha City. And they had no one have collected the first one. And the second one, I got for the Nehru, I have walked for him. Jenny and I have drum 100%. I walk for her. And I can check what I can have a girl, or to Janet, but Yana got to village to village. You harass the people. And I check how to do. Let them come, give the girl body. Let them come. Come on. Find our code now.
So you can hear that, and please subscribe to this channel and like the video. Tell me what you think about this message. When we tell you that the burning villages and attacking innocent people is chaotic movement, and I don't know why they choose to do that. They ignore the people that are facing to face an innocent citizens just to tell you all you need to know. Because when people say they are a terrorist group, some people don't understand it. How can you ignore the people that you are fighting for, you are fighting against, and choose to go to the innocent citizens and engage them by harassing them and dealing with them? Is uncalled for. But guess what? It can only happen in Igbo land. Courtesy of our people who want to make money in all angles, not only politicians. Imagine a youth of 30, 20 years, and you are being recruited as a vigilante group, pay you 100,000 a month, and you now sell your land. And some of them are even bragging, hey, homie, I'm working with Nigerian army. We are marching together. We are the one. Anyway, people, thank you so much for your time, and please like the video and subscribe. God bless you all. Bye-bye for now.